It's now time to make your first sound on your instrument. First, let's review our posture and hand position. Sit with your feet flat on the floor with an elongated back and relaxed shoulders. Set the trombone in the ready position with the end peg on the ground between your feet. Gently place your mouthpiece in the receiver, giving it a quarter turn. Make sure your hands are in proper position. Now go to playing position, bringing the mouthpiece up to your mouth at the proper angle. The slide should be set with a slight downward angle. Also be sure that the bell section and the slide section form a V. Once you're set in playing position, double check that your mouthpiece is placed properly. Now go back to ready position. For this first part of playing on our instrument, we're simply going to practice blowing all of our air into the instrument. Watch as Irving demonstrates this for us. Notice that he takes a full breath and blows all of his air back into the instrument. His body remains still and his shoulders remain relaxed through this process. Also notice that the mouthpiece is flush against his face and that the rim is sealed against his mouth, but he's not pressing the mouthpiece into his mouth. Now go to playing position and try this with Irving. Take a full breath and move all of your air through your trombone. I'll count you off. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Go to ready position. Be sure that your cheeks are not puffing and that you have no air pockets between your gums and the inside part of your mouth. You should keep your corners firm but not tense and keep your chin pointed down like this. Try this again with Irving. Get set in playing position. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Press pause and practice this a few times, remembering these important steps. Now let's make our first sound on the instrument. We will do this by blowing air and letting our lips vibrate. Listen as Irving demonstrates this on the trombone. As Irving demonstrates this for you on the mouthpiece visualizer, notice that his lips are touching to vibrate, but he's not pressing them together. Keep your mouth open and your teeth apart to let the air flow freely. Then let the lips be close enough to vibrate. While the lips get closer together, the teeth will stay apart to allow the air to flow freely. You can see that the opening where the air comes out, or the aperture, is actually quite small. Watch one more time as Irving performs this on the trombone. Now let's try this together. Go to ready position with proper posture. Now go to playing position. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Go to ready position. Did you get a sound? As you move your air, be certain your lips are touching and your embouchure is set. Let's try this one more time. Get set in playing position. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Go to ready position. It's important that you do not press the mouthpiece against your lips with too much pressure. This could make it difficult for your lips to vibrate. Be sure that you have an open sound. Listen again as Irving demonstrates a proper trombone sound for you. Practice again with Irving. Go to playing position. 1, 2, ready, breathe. Go to ready position. Now you can practice getting your first trombone sounds on your own. Each time you practice this exercise, concentrate on one of these essential elements of brass playing. Sit with proper posture. Use correct hand position. Make sure your mouthpiece is placed correctly. Be sure to take a full and proper breath. Keep your teeth open to allow the air to flow freely. Work to remove any air pockets between your cheeks and the gums of your upper and lower teeth. Work to have a smooth chin. Be sure you allow your lips to vibrate freely with no pressure. Keep your embouchure steady and your airspeed consistent. Work on these aspects of tone production daily to get the best sound possible on your trombone.